Under the rafters of an old seafarer's warehouse, the Boatshed Hostel is a unique little hostel that offers homely comforts in a bunk barn style. The light and open patio leads into the communal kitchen and sitting room. There is a TV and sound system for guests' use. The kitchen has a large dining table, fridge freezer and 4-ring hob and oven. The sleeping area contains 3 handmade bunk beds that can easily be sat up in by guests over 6F, and 4 single beds. The single beds are in curtained alcoves providing a modicum of privacy. There are 2 showers, 2 toilets and 2 basins. Boatshed Hostel conditions: guests need to call the hostel directly to be met for check-in. Cancellation policy: 48 hours before arrival. Check-in from 15 o'clock to 21:00. Check-out before 11:00. Payment upon arrival by credit cards, debit cards, cash. We don't accept diner's card. Taxes included. Breakfast not included. No curfew. We do not accept customers younger than 18 years of age. Non-smoking. No pets.